Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be building a tool rack for all my yard tools. These tools have been taking up a ton of space. This isn't even half of them. They've been in my wood shop and trying to store them without taking up too much space. I now have a shed. I'm going to be building a rack to get these up off of the ground and hung up on the walls so that they don't take up floor space and they're not falling over and I'm not tripping over them. So this is super easy to make and it's relatively cheap as well. All I'm gonna need is a couple 2x4s for this and then 2 lengths of the conduit piping. I'm going to securely fasten this to the wall. This could potentially hold a lot of weight and I don't want this pulling off. So I'm going to put 2 deck screws in each stud that I pass with the 2x4 and that will definitely give it enough strength to hold anything I'm going to be putting on it. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side of this corner and continue the rack on that side as well. Next, I'm going to take another 2x4 and layer that over top of the one I already placed there, and that will just give a little more depth in order to support the conduit pipe. Again, I'm going to be using deck screws to fasten this to the wall, and I'm going to be putting 2 deck screws on each stud. Again, the screws aren't that long. They're not going all the way through into the studs very far. They're just barely poking through the 2x4s it's going through. But I want to make sure I'm not leaving any sharp screws hanging out the back and accidentally get caught on it at some point. Now that I have the 2x4s mounted, I'm going to move on to cutting the conduit pipe. And I'm going to be cutting this at 1 foot lengths. This length will be perfect to hang tools on the wall. I don't want to go any farther or else they'll be sticking out into the room a lot closer to where I'm actually going to be walking and could end up hitting my head on it. Once you have the conduit pipes cut, all you need to do now is drill holes wherever you want to hang things up. It's a little bit of trial and error, just seeing what fits where and how to use the space the best I can. A few of the smaller things I can kind of just hang on the wall behind these tools, and that will be perfectly fine. They're out of the way, but somewhere I can see them, and they have a place, so they'll always get put back. Well, that just about finishes the project for today. Hope you guys found this one helpful. As far as shed storage ideas go, these are pretty cheap to make and really simple at the same time. You can easily just pull the pipes back out. If you have to move things around, you can easily do that. If you wanted to maybe drill a hole every 3 inches and have it completely customizable to where you can just move them around as needed, that would also work. But yeah, I hope this was helpful for you guys. If it was, hit that like button down below and let me know in the comment section what you guys thought of this. If you guys are interested in more of these videos, I just purchased this used shed and had it transported to my property, built a foundation for it, built a ramp, some storage shelves in the back, and now this tool rack. If you're interested in those videos, go check those out. I'll leave the link right here at the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.